As I was going through my Instagram feed, I remember one of our friends who actually made a really tasty curry. So today I am making a sweet potato satay curry inspired by Shara. So let's get started with some sweet potatoes. So we're gonna take off the skin of the sweet potato. After skinning the sweet potatoes, we're gonna cut them into cubes. And I'm gonna slice my onions. Now guys, what I like to do is I love my things to cook pretty quick. I'm gonna share with you a secret is when you're making potatoes or even sweet potatoes, try to microwave them for at least 2 minutes before you actually cook them. Just got this out from the microwave. Let's start cooking them then. So we're gonna add a bit of oil and saute the onions first. This is so that the onion will give us a lovely caramelized flavor. Now that's done. Next part is just to throw in all the sweet potatoes. Now I'm adding in half a can of coconut milk and saving the other half for the end. And I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of Mak Tok satay chili paste. And now we're just gonna mix them all in. So right now I'm just gonna put the lid on and let it simmer on low heat for at least 20 minutes. Now while our curry is simmering over there, let's do the peanuts. Now we're 70% into our cooking. We're gonna add the rest of the coconut milk in. Now I'm gonna add half of my peanuts in. Then we're gonna season them with a bit of soy sauce. Make sure while you're doing this, take the lid off and keep stirring it while maintaining a low heat. Now that's almost done, let's add in some spinach. And our sweet potato satay curry is done. And this is our heartwarming sweet potato satay curry, inspired by Shara. Alright, time to tuck in. For a person who loves peanuts, this is right up my street. So good. Right guys, if you know anybody who loves peanuts and curries like I do, you need to tag them in. And if you've got any questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!